Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Touch ID on the EVA Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on in the upper left corner of the screen. Now scroll down and tap on the settings button. Here you can find the Touch ID feature that you can enable by clicking on this off button on the right side. And as you can see now it has been enabled. So when you open the application you will be required to add your Touch ID or your fingerprint, and then you will be able to open the application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.